So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy fractional shares of a stock here inside of Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go to the bottom to where it says add funds, or you can go ahead and press on whatever stock you want. So we're just going to go ahead here, because we have enough funds, we're going to go ahead and press on the magnifying glass here. Then once you're in this screen, you can go ahead and actually view a whole bunch of different options right here. So there's options, crypto, fractional trading, you name it. Since we want to participate in fractional trading, we're going to go to where it says see all fractional trading right here. So as you can tell, a whole bunch of different stocks, 4,266 to be exact. So for example, if you wanted to buy a fractional share in Air Canada, by the way, this of course is not financial advice, just showing you guys a demonstration on how to purchase a fractional share inside of Wealthsimple. We can press on Air Canada right here, then go to where it says buy. Then on this screen, we're going to go ahead and use my non-registered account because now we're on the fractional buy area. If you wanted to go ahead and fractional buy, $10 worth, you can go ahead and press $10, press on continue. Then it'll say confirm purchase. Then we're going to fractional buy. So the estimated number of shares is 0.4002. And that of course would be roughly around $10. So if you want to do that, press on confirm order. And that is pretty much how to buy fractional shares of a stock here in Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.